Hi guys, we are going to make our sub salad today. This is Madeline and she's going to be helping me out. Madeline loves to eat my salads and so she's always a really good candidate to help me out in the kitchen when we're making salads. So we are going to start with our marinated tomatoes. It just adds a nice punch of flavor to our sub salad. We have some fresh tomatoes in our bowl. Now Madeline has already added 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and we've added 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. She was ready to get started before the video was. So we already have that in the bowl. Next, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. So go ahead and pour that in. Perfect. And then we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Pour that in. I'm going to grab a spoon. Okay, so we are just going to mix all of these things together in our bowl.
Okay.
You want to mix it? Okay, go ahead and mix it.
Definitely are going to throw that.
Okay, so we are going to make sure that all of our tomatoes are covered in this lovely marinade. Now I would suggest to let your tomatoes marinate for a good 10 to 15 minutes and that will break down the tomatoes a bit and help them absorb the flavor. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit and when we come back we're gonna assemble our salad. Okay, now it's time to assemble our salad. So first we're gonna start with some baby spinach. All of my children like baby spinach in their salad, so we're just gonna put some in there. Hey, go ahead and grab a handful. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Looks good. We might as well just add the rest of it. Okay. Next. Okay, that looks good. Next, we're gonna take a bell pepper and we are going to cut it into slices. You like bell pepper, don't you, Madeline? Do you like it better when it's cooked or not cooked?
Cooked.
You like it better when it's cooked?
No. No.
You like it better when it's not cooked? I think I like it better when it's cooked. Okay, I'm gonna start putting these over here. You go ahead and put those in the salad. Thank you.
It's gonna be a yummy salad.
It is gonna be a yummy salad.
With no tomato.
We're gonna put tomatoes in it. Okay, here's your bell pepper. Next we have a cucumber. All of our produce has been washed and in a vinegar bath already. Okay, so as soon as I'm done, kind of let Madeline. I'll put this in. Now you definitely love cucumbers, don't you?
Yeah, they're yummy.
They are. And your brother Oliver also loves them, doesn't he?
Does Jackson too?
I don't know if Jackson likes cucumber. Okay, go ahead and put that in the bowl. Jackson says he loves cucumbers. So all my kids love cucumbers. Go and put that in.
Can I eat this one?
How about we wait? How about we wait until the salad? Oh, you're okay. She's already eating it. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of these in the salad. Okay, now we're gonna cut up some provolone cheese. So again, this is supposed to symbolize a sub in the form of a salad. So in coming up with this recipe, I kind of thought to myself, what do I like to have on a sub? Now my kids like to have banana peppers in their sub, and I was reminded when I said I was going to make this, I don't have any banana peppers, but that will be a good addition if that's something that you enjoy on your sub. Can you wait until I'm done cutting, please? Please. Thank you. Okay, so the meat that we're gonna choose is salami. We personally all love salami on our subs in our house. You could, in addition to this, if you have maybe, she's just sampling the salad as we go. If you have like an Italian sampler of deli meat, that would include salami and maybe capicola, prosciutto. Those would also all be good additions. We're just gonna stick with salami today because that's what we have. You'd like to put that in there? So I have about 6 pieces of salami. I think I had about 4 pieces of provolone. This is not an exact science. I'm just adding what we have, to be honest. Okay, can you stop stapling the salad, please? Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna add those in. Madeline, gonna add those in. Okay, so I do have my marinated tomatoes now. So these are gonna be really, really yummy. Like I said, it's gonna be something different that's not just your traditional fresh tomatoes. It's going to add even more flavor. So what do you think? Maybe a little more tomato, Madeline?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. I should probably just add all of them, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut these up, Madeline, then you can put them in, and while you're doing that, I'm gonna grab an avocado.
So I can put them in.
Yeah, 'cause I forgot to grab that, didn't I? Silly mommy.
And some orange.
I don't think you should add orange. What do you guys think? I think orange would not be a good addition to the sub salad. Maybe as a side, a fresh orange would be good. All right, now we are just roughly chopping this. Madeline, can you put that into the salad, please? Okay, now I'm gonna grab an avocado. Can you get that in there?
No.
You want me to help you?
What?
It is. Well, it's because it was in that marinade. Would you like a paper towel to wipe your hands off on? Perfect.
No, they're always soap.
Okay, go ahead and wipe your hands off. Thank you. Okay, so the last ingredient we're going to add is an avocado. Now, Madeline also loves avocados, don't you, Madeline?
Yeah. They're yummy.
They are, and they're so good for you, aren't they?
So I'm going to put them in.
We're going to put them in the salad, aren't we? Okay. So as you saw, I used my trick for cutting an avocado, which is cutting it into fours, and it makes it much easier to get that nut out and to get the fruit off of the skin. So that to me is the best way to cut an avocado. I need to cut it first and then I'll let you put it in, okay? And then I'm going to actually use this marinade as our salad dressing because it has all the ingredients that you would have in a typical salad dressing. It has our olive oil, it has the red wine vinegar as our vinegar, it has salt, pepper, and oregano. So we are just going to use that as a double duty today for our salad dressing. All right, now this was a small avocado, but I think it's gonna be good, I think. Okay, so we're gonna put the avocado in. Now, I know some people like some red onion on their subs. We personally don't like raw onion in this house, so we're not gonna add that. But really, like I said, it's anything that you usually would have on your sub. So there may be ingredients I haven't added today that you certainly could add. All right, Madeline, go ahead. I want you to drizzle that onto the salad. Oh, yeah, oh, you almost spilled it. Good drizzle. Perfect. Okay, now I am gonna grab 2 forks. So we don't have a fancy salad utensil. So we're just gonna use 2 forks. And we're gonna use that to stir everything together. Make sure everything is coated in that delicious dressing that we just made. And what I like about homemade dressings is you know what's in it. A lot of times you get bottle dressings and you might have various oils, maybe some high fructose corn syrup, and then just other additives that you really don't need. So I like to make homemade dressing when I can. So what do you think? Does this look good?
Yes.
Yes? Are you ready to eat? Are you hungry? Perfect.
I'm gonna sit.
All right, we're gonna serve this up. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys.